2500s, wired at half ohm on 2 ZVX15s with 6 Banks of Lithium batteries.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Hello. Wow.
All new.
Fourth order?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Almost like it's almost a 2-to-1 ratio.
Yeah. What do you like more about fourth or sixth order? Which one do you like more?
I'm just playing around with them.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't play as low as I did with the other ones. I'm at cutoff on 28. I'm 35 hertz, so.
Okay.
But I thought about taking it up.
Yeah.
But I'm thinking about making another port just to see what it does on the meter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what is your equipment real quick for the video?
It's the Escape 4500s, wired at half ohm on 2 ZVX15s with 6 Banks of Lithium batteries and 2 300 amp alternators.
Yeah, so your voltage is solid. It don't move.
Yeah, I got 4 runs of OFC Sky High going in the back.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah, it's almost a 2-to-1 ratio. I wanted to try to hit exactly 2-to-1, but it's in between.
Yep.
I went a lot bigger with the seal section.
Have you test metered it at all?
I played around. The back 2 cells are brand new, so
Okay.
I done like a 53.
Yeah.
And then I just quit with it.
When they're brand new, still breaking
That's
in.
why this is the 3rd time I've got to play it since I rebuilt it. The 3rd time.
Wow.
Since I rebuilt it.
Awesome.
Now I've been working on that one. I got another one
Yep.
now I'm working on too.
Awesome. Thank you, Sammy.
No doubt, bro.
I'm gonna go look at the alternator amps.
Is you fucking me? I know will.
Right here. Hi everybody, this is JacobViral. So a quick little commentary before we get to the demo. This is called the Beast, his truck that he had. Sammy, I met him about 3 years ago. He's had a previous build that I have on YouTube as well. If you want to see it, check out the link in the description. That's actually where he mentioned his 4th order versus 6th order comparison that I was asking about, because he used to have a 6th order wall like this, but now he has a 4th order. So we're getting to see how that sounds in a minute. Nice deep low bass, but it doesn't play as low as his previous system where he was playing down into the high teens. So mid 20 hertz range he likes on this one, it sounded like he was saying. And stay tuned for more videos, daily cardio videos to come. Be sure to give Sammy a like if you haven't already. And if you have anything you want to know about cardio ever, have a question, let me know in the comments. And I hope y'all enjoy the demo coming from Sammy. Really good job, a really nice build. He's got 3+ years into this system since I've met him. He might have even more time into it. But enjoy the demo.
And I always have.
different.
It tastes like victory to us, and I always have faith in my blood, clean slate. Young. It tastes like victory to us, and I always have faith. Nigga, get the dog. Young men, I always have. Always have. It tastes like victory to us, and I always have. Get the dog.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.